Hello, my name is Mark Nacol, and I'd like to chat with you about father's rights. Father's rights is the most misused, misunderstood, and meaningless term that I can imagine. It's used frequently and wrongfully for the wrong purposes. Fathers have always had rights. The issue is, are you going to exercise those rights? Now, there were prejudices in the past, and some of those dinosaurs are still running around in some counties. But generally, in the state of Texas and the Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex, a father who is worthy and wants to be a part of his child's life is going to be a part of his child's life. And the juries are just as fair with fathers as with mothers in that regard. Father's rights is a misnomer because so many men don't exercise their rights. It is important to stick with your case to the end. It is important to be a part of your child's life. Double-blind studies have shown, without question, that children raised with hands-on fathers perform better emotionally, academically, socially, and are all around far more self-actualized as adults with less psychological issues than those that don't have fathers. There are exceptions to all these rules, but generally speaking, a father's involvement in his children's lives is critical to their development, and scarring can be irrevocable in the absence of a father. Who makes the education decisions of the child? Who makes medical decisions of the child? Who decides where the child is? How much distance between the father and the mother? These are all issues that are called father's rights, but they should be called human rights. Because it's really not the father we're talking about or the mother. We're talking about the child. Every child deserves a father. Every child deserves to have a hands-on father that they can go to, who will be there at soccer games, at the math club, at the Latin club, at the swimming contest, at the dance studio, at the recitals. Those are rights of all people. And fathers, if you want them, you need to exercise them.